Morning! Hatid natin si Brian sa school. Brian?
Yeah.
Good morning.
Good boy. Paki. Last night for Uber.
Nini, kijk out for the auto. Ooh, yeah. Yeah, okay. Oh. Yeah. Ready?
Yeah.
Good sound. So, here we go again. Okay. We're going. Yeah, ready?
Yes.
Brian, makik ka na kasya. Yeah? Dak. Oi. Yoki. Dak. Hi, andito ako ngayon sa may McDo, no? Kasi nag-order lang muna ako ng coffee. Nag-aantay ako mag-open yung Ranzine kasi bibili ako ng mga tanim. I-try ko naman magtanim later sa backyard namin. While nag-aantay, mag-open sila ng 9. It's already 8:56. Nanonood ako ng interview ni Heart Evangelista kay Angelica Panganiban. Sila yung mga kapanahunan ko. Bali, ako, super fan ako ng gimmick before. So, ito pinapanood ko. Ang saya lang. Naalala ko sila. Ayan, dito na ako sa Ranzine. So, let's see. Ay, bigat. Ito yung dati kong tinanim pero biglang namatay siya. Dahil sa winter, I think, kasi super harsh ng winter namin last time. Ito. Gusto ko to. Pero magkano to? Ito din. Nice siya. $4.99. Basta para siyang paano ba ito? Kailangan ito ng half sign. Pulsan talaga ito siya, oh, nice siya. Paano to? Pero ba't nga? Ito maganda to. Yung side kasi, yung nasa hindi siya naabutan ng sun. Kaya I need na ito, pag may sign na ganito, half partial shade. So, dapat meron pa ring araw. So, yung na side na yun is hindi siya pwede kasi hindi talaga walang sun dun. Kaya puro greens ang itatanim ko. Hi guys! So, kapapalit ko lang dito. Matatagalan ka talaga no pag wala kang alam sa mga sa mga plant. Naalala ko tuloy yung yung lola ko, super galing niya sa plant. Parang naiinis na sa akin yung parang naiinis na sa akin yung tanong ako ng tanong, visit magre-research muna ako. Meron naman ako nabili, pero hindi yung sa mga nasa yung area na nasa mga shades. Hahanapan ko pa siya kasi magre-research muna ako kung anong best dun. Ay, nako, nakakainis. Anyway, I'm going home now. Guys, nag-start na ako magtanim. Kanina nalubat ako kaya hindi ko na ito. So, for now, eto muna. Pero hindi pa to tapos. Dadagdagan ko po to siya. So, ito yung mga maliliit na flowers. Tapos, dun naman, naghahanap kasi ako ng tanim na pwede siya sa, walang direct, sa sunlight. Tapos, dito naman is more on sun. So, dadagdagan ko po to siya. So, mga 3 or 4 pa yung flower bed. And then, dito, maghahanap ako ng tanim kung ano pwede na hindi direct sa sunlight. So, ito. So, we'll see. For now, yan na muna. Kasi hindi ko pa alam kung anong lalagay ko dun. And then, yeah. Siguro maglalagay ako ng mga hanging plants dun sa gilid. And then, we're done. Yeah, but what do you want me to do then?
Well, we have to put it on there, basically.
Then you have to make space there, otherwise you don't fit. How can you move that box a little bit here?
No.
Yeah.
This bit will.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh my goodness, Renee, this is so...
Mag liggen.
Oh, this is very big desk, yeah? Can it be difficult for me?
Wacht even hoor, want hij zit hier niet goed.
Yeah, just go.
Yeah, for you it works there, but not
No,
here.
it didn't work here yet.
Wacht even.
Yeah.
Heel even.
Yeah, a very huge desk for some reason. Yeah.
doesn't. Just wait a moment. Okay, so that works. Holy shit! Oh, this is the.
Yeah.
It's good that it fits, right?
Yeah. But how is it there then? Do you need to put
Well, that's
something?
because the boxes are not, you know. So now I know what to adjust.
What?
Before I put these arms, that very
Can you
big
put the
arm.
box here?
But I'm already happy that it fits, to be honest.
Yeah. Hey, it looks nice.
And now I.
Then you can put already the
Yeah,
last.
that's this one that will come underneath it.
Yeah.
But I need to, so now I can measure also out that last one that I need to attach, which will come here.
Okay. You're gonna do that
And
now?
no, not now. And there's already one here, so
Yeah.
then he can go underneath it.
Yeah, looking good.
Let's see if it fits. Because this is all, that was the difficult thing of it.